Stop stressing about your follower count. Meta's algorithm cares about one thing: engagement. A small active community is worth more than 1 million silent followers. Real growth happens in the comments. Talk to your audience, answer their questions, and be a real person. When you put connections over numbers, the reach follows naturally. Focus on your community today. The post and ghost habit is killing your reach. The first 30 minutes after you upload are the most important. When you reply to your comments immediately, you tell the algorithm this post is worth sharing. Stick around for 10 minutes, start a conversation, and keep the momentum alive. Treat your comments like a chat, not a chore. Your analytics will thank you. Do you want free growth? Focus on shareability. Likes are great, but shares are the ultimate endorsement. Ask yourself, does this video solve a problem or make my viewer look smart? When you provide a quick win or a relatable moment, people can't help but hit that share button. Create for them and your audience will do the marketing for you. Stop trying to post 5 times a day. You're only going to burn out and lose your audience. One high quality post that sparks a conversation is worth more than 10 check the box videos. People want your best, not your busiest. Slow down and focus on impact. Quality wins the long game. What's one valuable thing you can share today? Want to double your engagement? Start using the reply with video feature. When you answer a comment with a reel, it shows your audience you're actually listening. It builds massive trust and it gives you fresh content ideas that people already care about. So why not try it today? Feature a fan and watch your community connections grow. Don't let declining follower counts discourage you. An unfollow isn't a failure, it's a filter. You want an audience that actually cares about your niche, not a bunch of ghost followers. A smaller engaged list is much more profitable than a huge list of people who ignore you. Be your authentic self and the right people will stay, and those are the ones who matter. You have exactly 3 seconds to stop someone from scrolling. If you start with, "Hey guys," you've already lost. Start with a result, a shock or a struggle. Give them an immediate reason to stay. Spend more time on your hook than any other part of your video. Master the first 3 seconds and you'll master the algorithm. What's your hook today? Stop waiting for perfect lighting or the best camera. On social media, authentic beats perfect every time. People connect with real stories, not polished brands. Some of the best videos are filmed in the car. Your audience wants the real you. Perfection makes you feel unreachable. So just hit record today. Your community is waiting for the real version of you. Now I bet you're wondering, how often should you post? The answer is whenever you can do it consistently. Disappearing for months kills your momentum. The algorithm rewards predictability. If you can only do 3 days a week, stick to those 3 days every single week. Build the habit for your audience. Consistency is the key to long-term growth. If you want to succeed as an affiliate or a content creator, you have to lead with value, not a sales pitch. Nobody opens an app to be sold to. They come to be entertained or educated. Solve a problem first, and once you have their trust, a recommendation feels like advice from a friend. Build a relationship with your community first. The business results will take care of themselves. If you aren't in the Amazon influencer yet, you're missing out on passive income. You can upload shoppable videos directly to your Amazon product pages and earn commission when people watch. Amazon drives the traffic and you just provide the honest review. Now, you don't need 1 million followers to start. Set up your storefront and start earning today. Stop sounding like a commercial. People buy from people they trust, not salespeople. Instead of buy this, show how the product solves a problem in your real life. Share the pros and cons, and an honest review always convert better than a script. Be a friend when giving recommendations. When you lead with honesty, the commission follows. Shoppable videos are a game changer. As an Amazon influencer, you upload reviews directly to your listing. When a customer watches your video and buys, you get paid. It's that simple. You don't even have to drive the traffic. Amazon puts your video in front of ready buyers. Start filming reviews for products you already own and build a passive income stream. Trying to talk to everybody means you're talking to no one. You need a specific niche to grow. Look around your house and what do you use every day? What do your friends ask you about? A target audience is always more profitable than a broad, confused one. Pick your lane, dominate it, and watch your affiliate income scale. Your link in bio is your shop window. If it's a mess, you're losing money. Categorize your items so people can browse easily, like home office or skincare or technology. A clean storefront builds trust and makes it effortless for fans who support you. Audit your links today. If it's hard to find, it's definitely hard to buy. And remember, those videos you've recorded, you can repurpose them on TikTok and Facebook. And you know what that means? You'll have money coming in from everywhere. Don't be afraid of paid partnership tags. Transparency actually builds trust with your audience. People appreciate knowing the truth. Plus, it's a legal requirement to disclose affiliate links. Being a pro means following the rules and protecting your brand. Be proud of your recommendations. Honesty is what keeps your audience coming back. Do you want your videos to be found months later? You need to understand SEO. Use the exact product names in your titles and descriptions and think like a buyer. Instead of my favourite mic, try best budget mic for creators in 2026. Speak the language of the search bar and keep your content working for you. Stop filming every day. Use batching to film a week's worth of content in 1 hour. Prepare your script and change your shirts between videos to keep it looking fresh. This keeps you in the creative zone and frees up your week for engagement. Work smarter, not harder. One productive afternoon can power your whole channel. Stop guessing and start looking at your data. Your analytics show exactly what your audience wants. Which video got the most clicks, which product actually sold, and then double down on those. Don't worry about low views if the sales are high. Data is your roadmap to success. Check your dashboard weekly and let your numbers guide your next move. Monetization is a marathon, not a sprint. Every video you post is a long-term asset. You might not see big checks in 1 month, but the creator who makes it never quits. Stay consistent, keep providing value, and keep learning. Your future self will thank you. You have the roadmap, now go build your legacy. Let's get to work. If you want to batch 10 videos in 1 hour, you need to have your outfits ready to go. Line up 5 different shirts or jackets before you hit record. Swap your top between videos, making it look like you've posted fresh content every single day. It saves time and keeps your feed looking diverse. Prep your wardrobe, then hit record. So if you haven't already caught up on series 1 and 2 of my content creator tips and tricks, I'll pop them in the comments so you can get yourself up to date. Now, most people know the Amazon Associates program, but as a creator, you want the Amazon Influencer program. Associates use basic links. Influencers get a custom storefront and can earn on-site commissions. This means you get paid when people watch your videos directly on the Amazon product pages. And that's the difference between chasing clicks and having Amazon send traffic to you. Aim for the influencer badge. To earn on-site commissions, you have to pass a manual review on your first 3 videos. Focus on high quality lighting, clear audio, and honest, helpful reviews. Now, avoid salesy language like buy now or best deal. Amazon wants helpful information, not a commercial. So take your time on these first 3. They are the key to unlocking your passive income. You don't need to spend money to start making money. Your first 10 reviews are already in your house. Look for products that you already use every day, like a coffee maker, your gym gear, or even your desk setup. Focus on items that have a lot of reviews on Amazon already. That's where the traffic is. Review what you already know and love. Your authenticity is what will drive the sales. You don't have to be a celebrity to succeed. Many top influencers never show their face. Focus on over-the-shoulder shots. Show the product in use, point out their features, and do a voiceover and talk over it. As long as your voice is clear and the information is helpful, the sales will come your way. Don't let camera shyness stop your bag. Start with hands-only reviews today. The secret to a high converting review: share what you don't like about the product. If you say everything is perfect, people won't trust you. Tell them who the product is not for. Being honest builds long-term authority. When you finally say a product is the best, they'll believe you. Trust is the most expensive thing you own. Don't sell it for a quick commission. Seeing a blue lock on your Amazon Creator Hub, that means you haven't been approved for on-site commission yet. Usually, this means your first 3 videos were rejected or still pending review. Check your email for feedback, delete the rejected videos, and try again with better audio and better lighting. But don't give up. Most successful influencers had to apply more than once. Stay persistent. If you want to make your Amazon storefront easier to shop, start using the Amazon ideas list. Group products like themes, like my filming gear or kitchen must-haves. It makes it much easier for your followers to find what they need without scrolling through a total mess. A clean shop is a profitable shop. Set up your first ideas list today. So how do you know which Amazon products to review? Use your Amazon search bar itself. Type in a category, see what autofills. Those are the items that people are actively searching for. If people are searching for it, there's traffic on that page. That's where you want your video. Let the data tell you what to film. Work smarter, not harder. Once you're comfortable with videos, it's time to look at the Amazon live streams. This allows you to demo products in real time and chat directly with shoppers while they're on Amazon. It's a bit like having your own TV shopping channel. The engagement is huge and so are the commissions. Start small, be yourself, and leverage the power of live interaction to build your brand. If editing is taking you hours, you're doing it wrong. Professional creators use templates. Keep your captions, colours, and music in a favourite folder so you can drag and drop them every single time. The faster you edit, the more content you produce without hitting a wall. Simplify your workflow today. Spend less time editing and more time connecting. Did you know 80% of people watch social media with the sound turned off? If you aren't using online captions, most of your audience have no idea what you're saying. Use apps like CapCut or built-in tools on Facebook and TikTok to add big readable text. So make your content accessible to everyone, even the people scrolling in silence. To keep people watching, you need to use pattern interruptions. This is a sudden change in visual or audio. Try zooming in slightly on key points or adding a sound effect when a tip pops up on the screen. These small changes wake up the viewer's brain and stop them from scrolling away. Keep the visuals moving and you'll keep the audience watching. Stop working so hard. One video should live on Facebook Reels, TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Use tools to remove watermarks and share your message across every platform. Your audience is everywhere and you never know which platform will make a video go viral. Create one reel, distribute everywhere and watch your brand grow on autopilot. On social media today, saves are more important than likes. When someone saves your video, they are telling the algorithm that your content is high value. Give people a reason to come back later, like a checklist, a tool recommendation, or a step-by-step hack. Create content worth saving and the algorithm will reward you with a massive reach. As you grow on social media, you're going to get negative comments, but don't take it personally. In the eyes of the algorithm, a negative comment is still engagement that pushes your videos further. Kill them with kindness or just ignore them. Don't give your energy to people who aren't your target audience. Keep your eyes on the goal. Your community is the one that matters. Are you struggling with content ideas? Then take a look at your comments section. Every question someone asks you is a perfect topic for your next video. When you answer a specific question, you're solving a real problem for your audience. Your followers will tell you exactly what they want to see. You just have to listen. Once you start making your first affiliate commissions, don't just spend it all. Reinvest a portion back into your brand, whether it's a better microphone, a lighting kit, or new software. Investing in yourself shows the world you're taking this seriously as a business. Better tools lead to better quality, which leads to bigger opportunities. Your link in bio is the most valuable real estate. Don't hide your best offers at the bottom. If you're promoting your Amazon influencer program today, that link needs to be the very first thing people see. Keep it simple and keep it clear. Too many choices will actually stop people from clicking. So clean up your links today and make it easy for people to take action. The best way to get better at your content is to watch your own videos back with a critical eye. Where did the energy drop and where could the edits be tighter? Don't be afraid to notice your own mistakes. That's exactly how you grow. Constant improvement is what separates the top creators from the rest. Keep leveling up. My name's Lathan MB, and if you're ready to master the creator game, share this series to one of your besties who you want to see win.